Did you know that a dog can alert to a medical episode such as diabetes, seizures, POTS, high heart rate, migraines, and so many other things? Well, this video demonstrates how this little cutie Harley is alerting to her person's high heart rate. So you see how she touches her chin on her leg? That's an indication behavior or an alert behavior that her handler trained See how she's sniffing there? Okay. Her handler trained that by playing a fun game with her dog. It's a very easy, fun game where you teach your dog to alert by doing something, whether it is a boop on the leg or a paw or a nudge on the hand. It's basically a way for your dog to let you know that they're smelling a unique combination of medical odors. And those odors only happen when the person is experiencing a medical episode. So when you teach your dog to alert to that unique set of odors, they then are alerting to that medical episode, or even prior to a medical episode, even prior to symptoms, which means that gives you the chance to check in, the reminder to check in, to sit down. Let's say you have diabetes, maybe check your blood sugar. If you have high heart rate, check your watch, check yourself essentially. Sit down, have a snack, and take medications. You can even teach your dog to do cool things like grab a drink for you, or perform a deep pressure therapy or a leg compression therapy. So dogs are incredibly beneficial, and you can see how much she enjoys playing this game, right? She gets to hang out with her favorite person. She gets to get some snackies, and she is helping her person, right? She's sniffing and she's alerting and she's enjoying the process and the game, and her person is so excited. So not only is this just a fun game that you can play with your best friend doggo, you can teach it yourself with your dog, as long as you have a dog who will work for treats. We actually have an online course and community that not only teaches you how to train it, but also gives reinforcement, positive reinforcement, and guidance to help make sure that you're on the best path possible. And that is what this team did here. We have a community called Cool Dog School, where we teach you how to alert to medical episodes, prior to medical episodes, and then you can also connect with other people who may be on the same path as you. Some other people who may have POTS, or who may have diabetes, or who may have high heart rates and are on this same journey of training their cool dog to do cool dog stuff. So check it out. The link is in the bio if you want to train your dog to play this awesome game and potentially have a life-saving result.